Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a very simple granny square shrug. I will be using my tulips from Holland Square, which I designed for the traveling Afghan blanket in 2020. The written pattern of this shrug can be found on my website in size small up to 5XL. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this shrug you will need lion brand touch of alpaca and crochet hook size 8mm. This shrug is made out of a large granny square for the back. The written pattern of the square can be found on my website. And a step-by-step video can be found on my YouTube channel. I will put both links in the description below. You will need to make a square which is 22 or 26 inches depending on the size you're working on. In row 1 we will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. At the end of a row we turn our work. Repeat row 1 until row 8 or until the panel measures 6 inches. Now turn your work and with the wrong side facing you, rejoin yarn on the other side of the square with a slip stitch. In row 1 we will chain 3 and work a double crochet in each stitch across. At the end we turn our work. Now make sure the good side is facing you and fold the corners inward to the center. Use a tapestry needle to seam the sides together. Seam up to 19 stitches, leaving 21 stitches or 5-inch open for the armhole. Repeat on the other side. We will start with chaining 30. In row 1 we will work a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook and each chain across. We now have a total of 28 stitches, which should measure about 11 inches. Make sure it fits around your forearm. You can make the sleeve longer or shorter by adding or removing a few stitches. In row 2 we will chain 2 and work a half double crochet in the back loop only in each stitch across. You can make the sleeves wider by adding as many rows as needed. Now fold the sleeve in half lengthwise and make sure the stitches are lining up. The starting chain should face you. Now chain 1 and work 28 slip stitches. Insert your hook through the starting chains and in the back loop only of the half double crochet, which is the loop furthest away from you. At the end, leave a long tail end for sewing and do not fold the sleeves inside out. Now sew the sleeves to the armholes and make sure to use a loose tension. Don't pull too tight, otherwise it won't fit anymore. When you're done with the sleeves, turn your sweater right side out. With the right side facing you, rejoin in the bottom right corner, which is the chain 2 space of the square. In round 1, we will start with 2 half double crochet in the chain 2 space. And then we work 1 half double crochet in the next 59 stitches. Then we work 2 half double crochet in the next chain 2 space. We will work 2 half double crochet in the next 16 rows. And here you don't have to worry too much about where to insert your hook. I try to evenly space the stitches, but you can also just work both stitches in the same spot if that's easier for you. Then we work 2 half double crochet in the next chain 2 space. And again 1 half double crochet in the next 59 stitches. Work 2 half double crochet in the next chain 2 space. And finally work 2 half double crochet in the next 16 rows. At the end you will have a total of 190 stitches. We will work in continuous rounds, so you don't need to work a slip stitch or chain 2. In round 2 we will work a half double crochet in a third loop in each stitch to the end of the round. Repeat round 2 until round 5 or until the ribbed collar measures 2.5 inches. You can make the ribbed collar wider by repeating round 2 as many times as needed. Now fasten off and weave in all the ends. And that's it! I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!